Right now, Minnesota's gearing up for a significant snowfall. Next weather meteorologist Adam Del Rosso shows us why this weekend's storm could be one for the record books.
You don't need me to tell you, Minnesota is no stranger to some big winter storms. I think you can already guess the biggest Twin Cities snowstorm on record. That is the Halloween blizzard of 91, when nearly 28.5 inches fell all the way through November 3rd. The biggest March snowstorm was in 1985, when we picked up almost 17 inches between March 3rd and 4th. The most recent major storm was a few years ago, 2023. You might remember that was the winter we saw 90 inches of snow. One of the biggest storms that season came in early January, when we saw a little over 15 inches of snow between the 2nd and the 5th. Meteorologically speaking, it's no surprise that some of the biggest snowstorms have happened in March. 7 of our top 25 snowfalls have occurred in the month. Like in the beginning of the season, storms tend to have more access to moisture to translate to heavy snow. Here are the other March storms that round out our top 5 for the month. The number 5 spot going back to 1952 with 14.1 inches. And given our current forecast, it is certainly possible this weekend's storm makes it on this list.